From the earliest days of farming, there has been one overriding force: power. Power has transformed farm productivity, with a single machine capable of harvesting many hectares in a day. Power has transformed the landscape, with the creation of larger fields and single farm operations of several thousand hectares. And power has transformed the business of farming to high-tech commercial operations where yields are measured in pounds per hectare. John Deere has been at the forefront of agricultural power development for almost 90 years. A strong research and development program is core to this success, pushing the boundaries of engine technology and introducing renewable energy sources such as biodiesel. Power is more than just straight horsepower. It's about effective delivery. Engine management, transmission systems and traction control are all important. John Deere is unique in the agricultural equipment industry, retaining all the core competencies for engine, transmission and controls. This creates a performance advantage in power delivery, engine durability and reliability. Many agricultural engines are developed from on-road applications such as haulage, but these engines have different design characteristics. They're built for motorway cruising at constant power. John Deere engines are specifically designed for the demands of farming, where changing soil conditions and crop densities can cause sudden stresses and strains. The award-winning series of PowerTech Plus engines sets a new benchmark for design. Developed to meet the stringent Tier 3 emission controls, they deliver more peak torque, better fuel economy and are quieter than ever before. John Deere's intelligent power management provides power when it's needed most, boosting output by up to 30 additional horsepower for transport and PTO-intensive applications. These engines also make use of two important innovations: a variable geometry turbocharger and exhaust gas recirculation. The angle of the turbocharger blade changes when the throttle is applied, creating faster engine response. Exhaust gas recirculation combines cooled exhaust gas with incoming fresh air to lower combustion temperatures and reduce emissions. Together, these two innovations improve power density and bring best-in-class fuel economy. And as fuel prices rise, the ability to run on up to 5% biodiesel is becoming an increasingly attractive option for some farmers. The new PowerTech Plus engines are also designed for a long life. 7 main crankshaft bearing supports for added strength and a wear-resistant chilled iron camshaft are just two of their many advantages. John Deere power goes beyond horsepower. Our expertise in advanced engine management systems matches the transmission to the engine's power characteristics for optimum performance. Our expertise in control systems provides easy-to-use transmissions with smooth power delivery. And our expertise in remote sensing and wireless communications is creating new possibilities for large farm owners and contractors to manage their machines. Modern farming puts more demands on machine utilization and productivity. There is no substitute. Built to last, engineered to perform. There's nothing quite like John Deere power.